31, we are given this graph. We are told that there is a vertical asymptote at -3, horizontal asymptote at y equals 1, and it passes through this point, -4, 6. So then we're going to ask some questions, and these will have true or false answers. So when x equals -4, it's here, notice it'll have a y value of 6. The value of the numerator of the function is 6 times as large as the value of the denominator. So that means that our answer, whatever we end up with, would be 6 over 1 or 12 over 2, but it would reduce down to this, and that is true because that's the answer, right? 6. So this one's going to be true. This is a similar question. When it's -4, the value of the denominator of the function is 6 times as large. That means that when x was -4, we would end up with something like 1 over 6 or 2 over 12. But that's not the case. We've got y equals 6, so this is false. As x approaches -3 from the left, so that's coming this direction, right? With this notation, the value of the numerator of the function f becomes greater and greater as compared to the denominator of f. So as we're coming to the left, that would mean that the numerator is getting bigger, which means the number is getting bigger, which means it's going to infinity, which is exactly what's happening. That is true. As x increases to the right without bound, so that's talking about going this way towards positive infinity, the value of the numerator of the function approaches the same value as the denominator. So we're getting close to y equals 1, so 1 over 1 or 50,000 over 50,000. Either of these will, they're both going to be 1. So that is true. That's exactly what's happening. As x gets really, really big, this is going to get closer and closer to 1. Finally, as x approaches -4 from the right, so that means coming this direction. Let's change colors on this one. So we're getting to 4 from the right. The value of the numerator of the function f becomes infinitely larger than the value of the denominator. Well, no, that's not case, because the answer goes to 6. Why it's going to 6 as we get close to 4, -4. Sorry, not just 4, -4. Now, if we get close to -3, then we would follow down here. But -4, now that's on the graph. It's getting close to 6. This is false. Okay, that's 31. Let's do a quick peek and see if that's, yeah, let me get to 32. So that's 31.